We out here in Brooklyn, BK, NYC, the day before the 4th of July. I'm gonna need you to get y'all black asses in a motherfucking building tomorrow. No excuses. Brooklyn, Commodore Park, between Fort Greene and Farragut. And I'm talking about International African Arts Festivals. You niggas claim consciousness and you woke folk, but we don't see you nowhere, man. Your dollar counts, man. Come and spend some motherfucking money. Break bread. Stop being conscious on the computer. How about it? You know what I'm talking about? BK, tap in, check in. We here.